Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Zelle Payee or recipient if you have old or unused contacts you want to remove. To get started, open the Zelle app or your bank's mobile app or Zelle is built in and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the Settings section. Scroll down until you find the Recipients or Contacts section. Here you'll see a list of all the people you've added to Zelle. Tap on the name of the recipient you want to remove. This will open their contact details. Look for the option that says Remove Contact and tap on it. You'll be prompted to confirm the deletion. Tap Remove Contact again to confirm. The recipient will then be removed from your Zelle contact list. If you have multiple contacts you want to delete, you'll need to repeat these steps for each recipient individually. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you clean up your Zelle recipient list, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.